Across the world, behind the smiles, towards the journey to better health and a life of joy is the work of over 1,000 companies we've partnered with. We are Syngene, the current preferred partner to more than 450 global organizations. What makes Syngene the go-to partner? Syngene is an end-to-end, one-stop partner who delivers everything you need. With an enviable global track record of over 30 years and more than 400 patents assigned, unmatched capabilities with over 8,000 people, 6,000 scientists, a 2.2 million square feet campus, and now the partner of choice for commercial manufacturing as well at state-of-the-art US FDA-approved facilities. Syngene delivers all that you need across all key areas, from drug substance to drug products, clinical development, and commercial manufacturing. At Syngene, we let our work do the talking. More than 15 biologics projects, 200 plus clinical development, almost 550 development projects, more than 75 manufacturing projects in just the last year. Over 1,000 projects in total, 10 product launches in the last 3 years, supported 15 of the top 100 pharmaceuticals by retail sales in 2021, member of the United Nations Global Compact. Choose Syngene. Choose speed. Choose quality. Choose efficiency. Ensure a happy, healthy future for all with a partner trusted by 450 plus global companies whose passion is to touch 1 billion lives.